Welcome to Keywebco, keywebco.net. Keywebco actually stands for Key to the Web Company, and we have everything that you could need for a business, to go shopping, to write a blog, to do just about anything you're interested in. We have our daily edition newspaper, which is new every 24 hours with all the best news. Come see all the options at keywebco.net, including our Ecom Tips podcast show and our daily live show on our Keywebco YouTube channel. I look forward to seeing you there. A Hero's Journey with Dragons. Fill out the form available at keywebco.net. Submit your story no later than November 1st, 2020. Everybody wins. Everybody gets published. Everybody gets a byline. Everyone gets published in not only a blog, but a book. Check it out. It's an easy contest to enter. We also offer cash and services prizes, a first place, a second place, and a third place. All that information is available at keywebco.net. Just fill out the form. This video has several of our ultimate guides. The first one is our ultimate guide to blogs. All of our guides are available at keywebco.net. Need to learn coding? We have a guide to help you. Every business can always use help with marketing, and we even have a few tips for AI in this particular guide. Our next guide is our business guide, which is full of helpful tips. It has links to everything you would need, and it also has information about what you need to do. SEO is no problem. We have a fantastic guide for SEO that explains all about it. It also includes a large number of very useful tools. At keywebco.net, we also make websites. So of course we have a fantastic guide about making websites. It includes everything you need to know, including some examples of websites created by Keywebco. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, in this guide, we help you with more than 1,000 words to learn how to take fantastic pictures. Another guide that was very useful to most businesses is our social media guide. Our ultimate home and garden guide is my favorite guide of all of them, in particular the garden section. You can find the ultimate guides in our footer